Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ka jala uba Prestone tensong. Habakren bat kinong thok khubor halor ka jinglet jurep ya ka Jingkieng Sonapur. Ulaong baya ka ni ka Jingkieng lashna da ki BRO. Bat hadin la IT ya ka Shaka National Highway. Ulaong ru ba komba ka longmenta ya ka ni ka Jingkieng ken sa Sdang ban Pynbha no. Habayaday bat ka Jingkieng duwarksut nakaliang uba Prestone. Ulaong baya ka ni ka Jingkieng ken sa IT no ya ka work order ban shnano. Habayaday bat ka Jingkieng omyam uba Prestone, ulaong ba kumba ka longmenta, ki kali bayat nang ne, ki hap bankit kumbala batha. Bat ukermen, ba onda ka Western Bypass kaladem, ki kali kit Jingkieng, kimdon kamshu banyat leng ba ka ne ka Jingkieng.
The finding is immediate repairing has to take place, and now they already started. And number two, restriction of movement of commercial vehicle has already been in place. And the district administration is full swing for that, and the National Highway Chief Engineer, National Highway, Government of India, they are on the job for the repairing of this road, the bridge.
So how long will they take to repair
Maximum, I think, maybe not more than 45 days. That is the assurance given by them. The CE of National Highway project, we call him a project director. So he assured us that maximum will be about 45 days repairing work will take place.
So is there any proposal of the government to also construct a new bridge
No,
for that area?
no. The question of a new construction does not arise. It's only a repairing work.
So whether PWD has done any exercise on like why these important bridges are getting damaged over the last year?
Well, you see, this is an old history because that bridge, that particular bridge was constructed by BRO. Then BRO handed over to National Highway. So more or less it is maybe like that Duarksui bridge. But of course the damage is not that much. That's why they have, the expert came all the way from Delhi, team of people from National Highway and from the Ministry of Road Transport. And then the conclusion is immediate repairing has to be done. And maximum will be about maybe 45 days, they'll be able to complete it. And then restoration of movement will take place.
So the Umiam bridge also doesn't look too healthy.
Sorry?
Umiam bridge doesn't look too healthy, that dam. So any initiative on that?
No, regarding what? Not healthy what means what?
All of it looks damaged, and we all know that it's
wearing out year by year.
Yeah, you're looking from the externally. So see, externally when you look at it, it looks very old. But I'm telling you, the expert has already done the exercise of plus, minus, and all the detailed structures, whatever done. So that's why now the restriction of weight is already in place. Those who goes and comes via this bridge at Barapani.